Covalent bond. Generally, a covalent bond is formed when atoms of two elements having similar properties combine. Such atoms cannot exchange electrons. Instead, these atoms share electrons with each other. The shared electrons become a common property of both the atoms, and thereby the electron octet duplet of both the atoms become complete. Let us first consider an example of the hydrogen molecule H2. We have seen in the chapter inside an atom that a hydrogen atom contains one electron. Its duplet is short of one electron and therefore the valency of hydrogen is 1. The two atoms of hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency and therefore they share their electrons with each other. As a result, the electron duplet of both the hydrogen atoms is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. The chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electrons of two atoms with each other is called a covalent bond. One covalent bond is formed by sharing of two valence electrons. The figure shows formation of H2 molecule from two hydrogen atoms using diagrammatic representation of electronic configuration. A covalent bond between two atoms is also represented by dash joining their symbols. Now let's see how an H2 molecule of a covalent compound is formed from hydrogen and oxygen atom. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen atom. It means that the electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons and the valency of oxygen is 2. In the H2 molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet by forming two covalent bonds, one each with the two hydrogen atoms. While this happens, the duplets of the two hydrogen atoms also are completed. Use your brain power. There is one covalent bond between the component atoms H and Cl of the molecule HCl. Use this information to represent the formation of HCl molecule from H and Cl atoms diagrammatically. Answer: formation of HCl molecule. An atom of chlorine contains 7 electrons in the valence shell and it needs 1 electron to complete the electron octet. Therefore, valency of chlorine atom is 1. An atom of hydrogen contains only 1 electron and it needs only 1 electron to complete its electron duplet. Therefore, valency of hydrogen atom is 1. C. The chlorine atom completes its octet by sharing its one valence electron with the hydrogen atom. The hydrogen atom also completes its electron duplet. D. The result in the formation of one covalent bond. The diagrammatic representation for the formation of HCl is as follows.